Hi, welcome to EasyTechProgrammer's YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about array. What is array? Array is the same data type multiple value can store in single variable. That means array is nothing but it can store multiple value in single variables, but that value should be same data type. Okay, and till now you understand that in a variables you can store a single value, but in this video I will show you how you can store multiple value in a single variables. Okay, suppose you are a student of a school of a class. All the classes has a same data type, that is you are a same class student. So in here array is a, suppose you are declare a integer array, suppose integer a, and this is the array. Okay, and you can store, and you store in this array 5 value. So in this 5 values would be integer data type. Okay, so now what how is I can declare this array? So first of all you have to give data type, then you have to give the name of the variable, and then you have to use this third brace. Inside this third brace you can use you have to give here size. Okay, you have to give here size. So let's see it in code. Okay, so first of all, for declaring the array we need in data type. So I just give here data type, and I just the name of the variable is a, and inside this third brace I just give here 5. So as 5 the size of the array is 5, that means it can store 5 value. Okay, so and then you can initialize some value here. Okay, so I just initialize it 1 2 5 7 8 3. Okay, so then semicolon for terminating, and then if you want to print this value, so if you use the old technique that I use in normal variables, if you use this technique, just give here printf, and then you just give here %d, and then you just give here a, then it will print the wrong, it will print the address of this array's first value. It's print the address of this array's first value. Okay, so if you want to print all this value of this array, then you should use the for loop. But if you want to use the single value of this array, suppose you want to access the third value of this array, so far you have to give here 2, because this array indexing start from 0. That means it's a 0, it's 1, it's 2, this 3, this 4. So if I give here 2, that means it will print the 2's number value. Okay, so if I now compile and run it, then it will print the 5, because 0 1 2, that means third number of value. Okay, it's print third number of value. Now if you want to print all the value, then you have to use loop. So for that, for looping, I just take another variable, that is int I, it should integer data type. Then I have to give the loop for I, here I use for loop, and then I have to initialize the value of I equals 0. Then I have to give the condition, just I less than 5, it should iterate 5 times, and then I just increment, and then inside this body I will just print the all the values of this array. So for that I just give here, for simplicity I just give here new line, and then instead of 2 I just give here 2. So whenever it's 0, then it will print the 0's value, whenever it's 1 it will print 1's value, whenever it's 2 it will print the 2's value. So if I now run it, you can see the result 1 2 3 5 7 3, all the value is printed successfully. Okay, now the declaration type are different types. Suppose you want to you don't want to assign value in declaration time. Suppose you want to take the input of a user, then it will you want to assign the value of array. Okay, that value you want to assign. So for that, you have to need just give the size of array, and then for taking the all value of the array, for all the value of this array, you need to give here for loop. Okay, and in this for you just give here the I equals 0, then I check the condition, because you want to iterate the 5 times. So I just give here less than 5 as a condition, then I just increment, sorry, I just increment it. Then I will scanf I will use the scanf for scanning all the value of this array. And as it is the integer, so I have to give here %d, and then I have to give the address as ampersand, and then I have to give the position of this array. So what will be the position? It will be the position of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as a position. So for that I have to use here I, and it will take the all the input, and it will store all the value in this array. So first of all it will store in zeros position, then it will store the 1 position, then 2 position, then 3 position. Okay, so let's compile and run it. And now if you want to give some message to user, so for that I give here printf, and I just give message enter 5 value. Okay, and now if I compile and run it, you can see it's want to take input from user, so enter 5 value. So I just give input here some value 3, 2, 6, 7, 2. So you can see here 5 value is inputted. Now if I now enter it, then you can see the result 3, 2, 6, 7, 2. All the values are displaying successfully. Okay, so in this way you can use the array. Okay, in next video I will give you some tricky question. For that, if for that you understand it very easily. Okay, and I will try to clear all the doubt of this array. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe my video, and subscribe my channels, and press bell icon for getting notifications. And if you have any doubt, you can comment me. Okay, so bye, take care.